Imagine biting into a fluffy cloud of creamy delight as the delicate flavors of fresh cheese, eggs, and sugar dance on your taste buds. This is pastiera napoletana, a traditional Italian Easter pie, hailing from the charming city of Naples. One bite, and you're transported to a bustling Italian kitchen, filled with the sweet aroma of orange blossom water and a hint of warmth from cinnamon. My first encounter with this dessert was a revelation. The texture was unlike anything I had tasted before, rich and creamy, yet light and airy. The sweetness was perfectly balanced, not overpowering. It was an orchestra of flavors, with each ingredient playing its part harmoniously. Moving on from Italy, we journeyed to the heart of Mexico, where a dish named pozole awaits. A hearty soup made from hominy corn, with plenty of meat, garnished with shredded lettuce, chili pepper, radish, onion, lime, and oregano. My first spoonful was an explosion of flavors, spicy, tangy, and savory all at once. The meat was tender, falling apart with every bite, while the hominy corn added a delightful crunch. The aroma was a heady mix of spices and fresh vegetables, making it an irresistible treat. Next, we ventured to the land down under, Australia, to sample a classic Aussie meat pie. Encased in a flaky, buttery pastry is a rich filling of minced meat and gravy. Biting into this pie is like unwrapping a savory gift. The pastry crumbles delightfully, revealing the hearty meat filling within. The aroma is savory and comforting, a perfect match for the chilly Australian winters. Our culinary journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to Japan for a taste of their famous sushi. Fresh, succulent fish paired with slightly sweet vinegared rice, sushi is simplicity at its finest. The first bite is a symphony of textures. The softness of the fish, the stickiness of the rice, the crunch of the seaweed. The taste is fresh and clean, with the sushi rice providing a subtle sweetness that complements the fish perfectly. The aroma is delicate and light, just like the dish itself. In summary, our culinary journey has been a feast of flavors, textures, and aromas. From the creamy delight of pastiera napoletana in Italy, the spicy and tangy pozole in Mexico, the hearty Aussie meat pie in Australia, to the fresh and delicate sushi in Japan, each dish has been a unique and memorable experience. It's a testament to the richness of our world's culinary traditions, a beautiful tapestry of tastes and aromas that unite us all.